Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to take you guys from Umuahia to Oboro in Ikwuano local government area. If this is your first time of tuning into my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So we are very close to Michael Okpara University of Agriculture, Umudike. And this is the school, that is the entrance, the front gate entrance. And this side is called Umudike. You can see how busy this place is. This is a student area, so you can see a lot of businesses going on, bike men waiting for passengers, shops. Here you can find saloons, eateries and all that. It's a student area. So we are heading to Oboro in Ikwuano local government area of Abia State. So it's normal for you to see AKTC buses and other buses going to Akwa Ibom or Calabar flying through this road. Like I said, this road is called Ikotebene Road. So this is Amoba in Oboro, Ikwuano local government area. This is a village in Oboro. This is Ezieke village, Oboro. Now going forward, this road is going to lead you to Ndioru, and continuously you will be going to Ariam. And Ariam is I think it's a boundary community between Abia State and Akwa Ibom State. So this road actually leads to Akwa Ibom State. So all this side you're seeing is Ikwuano local government. Oboro is in Ikwuano. So the Ezieke village we showed you is also in Ikwuano LGA. If today was the Ndioru Popular Market Day, you would have seen a lot of people here. Even vehicular movements, wouldn't be easy here because of the popular market. So I'm on my way back to Umuahia. So these are the places we also passed before on our way to Ikwuano. So this is a student area, so it's always busy, business, students, inside these places you'll be seeing lodges, hostels and all that where students live too. So this place is a National Root Crop Research Institute. You can see the gate over there. This express road is called Ikotepene Road, Umuahia. It's very popular, Ikotepene Road in Umuahia.